Managing maintenance work orders is complex. A work order may go through multiple stages, such as ordering parts, getting owner approval, checking with HOA, and more, and can last from a few days to a few weeks. How do you efficiently manage the life cycle of work orders? With EZcare's customizable workflow, you can efficiently manage maintenance lifecycle. Here is how it works. First, work orders are easily created on the website and sent to the contractor's mobile app. To put the work order on hold, the contractor marks an answer on the mobile app to set the next action item. For example, need to order parts. The manager monitors the maintenance stages bucket on the dashboard. After parts are ordered, the maintenance manager changes the answer to move the work order to the next stage. After the parts arrive, the manager can reassign the work order to the contractor and move it to the stage return to finish. No more sticky notes or scattered text messages. EZcare puts everything at your fingertips.